Hello students, in previous video we have discussed about the measurement of density of irregular solids and studied about the methods by using a measuring cylinder and measuring volume of liquids, and also we have studied about the conversion between kilogram per meter cube and gram per centimeter cube. So 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube, or 1 kilogram per meter cube is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram per centimeter cube. In this video, first of all, we will solve example problems which are given in your textbook at page number 30. Here, 3 examples are given, and today we will solve these example, and also we will discuss about the measuring density of fluids. Okay, so now let us start. First example, question number first example. I read the first example. A piece of steel has a volume of 4 centimeter cube. That means volume of steel piece, or I repeat again, a piece of steel has a volume of 4 centimeter cube and a mass of 32 gram. What is the density in? First point, gram per centimeter cube. Second point, kilogram per centimeter cube. So now listen. First numerical question number first. According to the question, volume of steel piece, that is volume is equal to 4 centimeter cube, 4 centimeter cube, and mass is equal to 32 gram. So now find out the density. First of all, density is equal to formula. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So mass 32 upon volume 4 8 ja 32. So answer will be 18 gram per centimeter cube. This is the answer in gram per centimeter cube. But in second part, we have to find out the density of the steel in kilogram per meter cube. So kilogram per meter cube. Now 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So now we know that 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So 8 gram per centimeter cube is equal to, multiplied by 8 into 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So 8 into 1000, that is 8000 kilogram per meter cube. This is the solution of our first question. Now we will solve the second question. Second question is that what is the mass of 5 meter cube of cement of density 3050 kilogram per meter cube. So now listen very carefully. Question number second. According to the question number second, what is the mass of, that is mass is equal to question mark. That means we have to find out the value of mass of 5 meter cube, that is volume is equal to 5 meter cube. Now next, and density is equal to, density is given, density is equal to 3050 kilogram per meter cube. So now we have to find out the mass is equal to, listen here, formula density is equal to mass upon volume. So you can easily calculate the mass is equal to volume into density. So now volume into density. So now volume will be 5 into density 3050. So now multiply 0 5 5 are 25 and 5 3s are 15. So answer will be 15250 kilogram. This is our question number second. Now question number third. Question number third is that if the density of wood is 0.6 gram per centimeter cube, that is, this is the density. Question number third. Density. This is the density. Density is equal to 0.6 gram per centimeter cube. So now, what is the mass of number first point? 1 centimeter cube. 0.6 gram per centimeter cube. Per centimeter cube means this is the mass in 1 centimeter cube. So answer will be means mass of 1 centimeter cube is equal to 0.6 gram. Now we have to find out the 2 centimeter cube mass of 2 centimeter cube. So now very simple question. Mass of 2 centimeter cube is equal to 2 into 0.6. So now you can multiply 2 6 can get, that is 1.2 gram. Next, mass of 10 centimeter cube. So mass of 10 centimeter cube is equal to 10 into 0.6 is equal to 6 gram. These are the 3 examples which are given in your textbook at the page number 30. Now we will discuss about the measurement of density of gas. That is, to calculate the density of gas, take a flask whose volume is known. Let it be V. V means volume of the flask, and measure its mass means, listen carefully, listen very carefully. Let the volume of flask is V. Let the volume of flask is equal to V. Let the mass of flask is equal to M. Now M, not M1. Now remove the air inside it using a vacuum pump and fill in the gas whose density is to be determined. Measure its mass again. Let it be M2. That is, mass of the flask with gas. Mass of the flask. Mass of the flask with gas is equal to M2. So you can easily find out the mass of the gas. So mass of the gas is equal to mass of the gas. Sorry, here is spelling mistake. Gas. Mass of the gas is equal to M2 minus M1. Now you can easily find out the density. Now density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass M2 minus M1 upon volume V. This is our answer. You can easily find out the density of gas. Now prepare the table which is given in your textbook at the page number 31. This is an important table, and in the next video we will discuss about the relative density. Relative density means comparison of the densities. We will compare the density of any substance with the density of water. This is called the relative density, and measurement of the relative density of liquid. Okay, and within 3 or 4 videos I will finish this chapter. Okay, thank you.